This is an update on Ethereum cryptocurrency. Here on the daily and which kind of represent the day, we have this primary downtrend line here off the reactionary highs off of April, multiple reactionary highs to help validate that. And really what's so significant, we are at a key pivotal inflection point here. Off this 1721.83 price resistance coinciding with this primary downtrend line, we have popped that 50-day moving average and start stepping higher. We do have potential bull flag action here. As far as any dip buyers and or bull traders, they want to see a final breakout, solidified breakout above this primary downtrend line and start to scale in here above that 1721.83, gunning for that first target right there at 1956.56. Short traders and or short sellers, they want to see the end of this with some little brief stops above, start to scale in now, see this bull flag continuation just continue to get knocked out. That would be the perfect measured target right there to that 2158.67 price resistance if the follow through in the bull flag pattern continuation pattern goes on. As far as the short traders, this is their first target here, 1605.95, which would spell for a 6.5% drop down to 1521.43 for a 11.7% drop, 1408.37 for an 18% drop, and if things get real bad, revisit this 50-day moving average coincided with the 1242.80 price support there for a 27% crash. So anything's possible. We'll see what happens. We'll zoom in here on the 240-minute interval, each kind of representing 4 hours here, putting a beautiful divergent high. We have confirmed negative RSI divergence and a potential negative divergence here on the MACD. Oscillator starting to burn out that divergence, which is a little bit more bullish. Again, this is a huge key pivotal inflection point in my opinion, and these are pretty much the key levels I've added off the daily here, and you'll see here this 1521.43 landed perfectly on this 236 fibs retracement off the 240-minute interval coinciding with it. So again, huge key moments to watch, key inflection levels to watch here. I've updated all these levels, put it in this primary uptrend line here in case we do get a revisit back. Anything is possible. We could go to flag on and flag out, breakout here, and again hit that perfectly measured target at that 2158.67 price support, which would be the perfectly measured target. That's exactly what bull traders would love to see there. You measure this first flag pull here, it was good for a 56% rip, and again you measure right there, almost, oh I'm sorry, yeah, 56% rip down to up to that 2158.67 price resistance. So we'll see what happens. Anything's possible. Key inflection point, very exciting, big moment in my opinion. And I'll zoom out here on the daily, Bitcoin daily, and again right here in my previous video you saw we shorted this beautiful reactionary high here, shorted right off resistance. It was good for a 13.2% crash, and to the T to the button right here off my 2802 price support I had mentioned, which coincided with the 236 fibs retracement off the 4-hour interval, where bull traders and or dip buyers should step in, if not a little bit below, set some stops below this trend line. And again, this thing has been good for right back to my resistance line there, good for a 13.9% in gains. So we'll see what happens. Again, resistance is resistance until taken out here, and we are at a pivotal in resistance on both Bitcoin and Ethereum here, testing that 23,830 price resistance. And again, bull traders, dip buyers want to see that taken out, coinciding with that this primary downtrend line here. So anything's possible. We'll see what happens. It looks bullish. The price action looks really bullish. I do admit this is an aggressive short trade setup in my opinion, but it is textbook stuff. It is definitely a short opportunity.